Start streaming, then snapshot,ใช่ไหม Okay, snapshot is okay already. And snapshot, then YouTube, right? I'm starting now. Hello everyone. Then, what can I go to my... What scene I have to choose means if I will start my PowerPoint. Is it scene 3? This one. So PowerPoint. Okay. Then scene 2. Live. So, current views. Hello everyone. Good morning. Concurrent views, concurrent viewers. Hello. Hi. Hello, hello, good morning. I guess no students yet. Right, Mr. Rania? I don't have students yet, right? Yes.
OBS.
OBS. Yes.
YouTube. PowerPoint. Mình lấy cả. Review.
Yeah. Yes. Hello. Can you type yes if you are watching right now? Type yes in our chat box if you are watching right now. And so we can start our lesson for today. Let me check. Making sure. Oh, Miss Rania. Yeah, they are on. Actually, they are online already, but I cannot see the kids here in the live chat. Yeah, but I can't see here. Okay, so maybe I have to use my phone. So hello, good morning everyone. So welcome to Social Studies English. I'm teacher Christine, and today we are now in economics. Okay, so last semester we learned geography. So this time we are going to learn economics. Okay, so before that one, I know some of you are uh, still sleepy. Okay, so before we start our new lesson, let us first have a warm up dance. Okay, so if you're if you're watching right now, so kindly stand up. And if your mom is beside you or your dad, can you tell your dad to take a photo of you dancing and send it to your classroom advisor? And I will give you 1 point for dance participation. You know that I love to give points, right? Okay, so let's start. Okay, so this one, I'll be showing you a song, a dance from Ping Pong. So if you want to dance or if you love to dance, you can subscribe to their YouTube channel. Don't forget to send your picture to your classroom advisor so Teacher Christine can give you 1 point for dance participation. Okay, so last term students, we learned about the last topic that we learned is about the continents and the oceans, right? So today I will show you a video about the 7 continents and oceans. So this one we are going to recall our lesson, the topic that you learned last time before we start our new lesson. So because the topic that we learned is kind of a must for students to memorize, especially because it's important that we know how many continents we have and how many big oceans we have. Okay, so I will show you a video, a recall. Then after that one, Teacher Christine will have a question for you. Okay.
Our Earth is a very, very, very big place. It is covered by water and land. It has
I can't dance, no
huge oceans where we can swim and 7 continents where we can stand. Asia is the continent that has the most people. It's also the largest in size. It has the 50 highest mountains in the world. Their peaks reach high into the skies. Second largest is Africa. It's the hottest continent of all. It has the largest sandy desert in the world, and animals both large and small. If Africa's hottest, then which is the coldest? Antarctica, but it's so very cold. It's only home to seals, penguins, and other birds. Blow to snow, it's the driest, I'm told. And which is the wettest? It's South America. Rainforests cover much of its face. Millions of animal species live there. You'll find them all over the place. Our Earth is a very, very, very big place. It is covered by water and land. It has 5 huge oceans where we can swim and 7 continents where we can stand. Let's look at Australia. It's the smallest of continents. The fewest people call it home. Most of its land is the bushland and outback where koalas and kangaroos roam. Now on to Europe, though it's rather small, it has dozens of famous old cities. Berlin, Madrid, Paris, London, and Rome. Each city is uniquely pretty. Last but not least is North America. It's the continent that I know best. It is the home of our own United States, a wonder from East Coast to West. But let's not forget there are also 5 oceans. Please let me be quite specific. Their names are the Southern, Atlantic, and Arctic, the Indian, and the Pacific. Our Earth is a very, very, very big place. It is covered by water and land. It has 5 huge oceans where we can swim and 7 continents where we can stand. I hope you learned something about all the continents and the names of our 5 oceans. Hopefully someday you will travel to each, but only if you get the notion. Our Earth is a very, very, very big place. It is covered by water and land. It has 5 huge oceans where we can swim and 7 continents where we can stand. Oh, yeah.
Okay, students, if you want to watch more informative videos, you can go to abcmouse.com and you can watch a lot of videos there. And you can also subscribe. Okay. Then, before we start our new lesson, I would like, because I was reading your comments here in my phone because I cannot see the live chat on the computer. So, hello, good morning, everyone. And thank you for taking the time in learning social studies. And so today, I have a question. And this one, student, after this, Teacher Christine will check the chat box and I will give points to students who will give me the correct answer. You know that one that I always give points to students who give me the answer. Okay, my first question related to the video is how many continents are there? How many continents we have? Okay, so I would like to check if you can still remember our lesson and if you really watch the video. Okay, so I'm waiting for your answers. So how many continents are there? Okay, let me check. Okay. Wow, a lot. Chanyanot, 7. Pakamon, 7. Napat, wow. Then Patadon, thank you. 7 continents, wow. A lot of you. Oh, you can still remember. Thank you so much. Okay, so I will give points to students who give me this answer. Next, the second question. How many big oceans we have? How many big oceans we have? Okay, so Teacher Christine will wait for your answer again. Okay, so second question. Our second question is, how many big oceans we have? Okay, 5, Nutakan, Papichaya 5, Pawat, what is your answer? Okay, Pawat, okay, correct. 5. Yes, okay, very good students. And thank you for very 50 oceans. No. So 5, actually your oceans is capital O. Okay, 5 oceans by Fern. Thank you for that one. Okay, thank you so much. The next question, the third question. We have 5 questions only for today. Don't worry. Okay, the third question is, what is the name of the continent where we belong? What is the name of the continent where we belong? Okay, so what continent we are from? Okay, let me check. Oh, Tantam, 99. How come? Okay. Wow, Asia by far was the first one. Okay, Chanyanot, Asia, yes, Asia. Okay. Oh, hello, number 32, 3/8, yes. 99, Asia. Europe, wow, Europe. Oh. Okay, Asia, 0. Asia, number 45 of 3/3, Asia, okay? Yes, Asia, very good. Yes, very good students. We are from continent. Our continent name is Asia, okay? Or we are from Asian continent. Next, the fourth question. What is the biggest ocean in the world? What is the biggest ocean in the world? That's the fourth question. What is the biggest oceans in the world? There are 5, right? And what is the biggest? Okay, let me check again. Okay, so Punaton is the last one for Asia. And for the third question, and I am looking for the first one to give me the answer for the fourth question. What is the biggest oceans in the world? 81? 81 who can give me the answer? Oh, Antarctica. Wow, I got it. The first one to answer, Pacific. Okay. Can you please write your class and your number? And especially your name is in Thai. So you know that teacher Christine cannot read Thai. So please write your number and your class. Okay. So that teacher Christine, it would be easier for me to give you points if you have your number and your class. Okay. So actually you are the first one to answer Pacific. Okay, so Pacific, the triple, Pimla Pass, yes. Suri, then number 25 of 3/8. Nanshari, Patadon, Pacific, yes, Pacific. Pacific Ocean, Pacific. Okay. Asia is the largest continent, yes. Yes, by far it is. But my question is, what is the biggest oceans in the world? Okay. Yes. Okay. So, Rosaya, was it Rosaya for this one? Okay. Okay. Yes. Now, the last question. Okay. So, the fifth question, the fifth and the last question is. So, first we have the number of continents and oceans. Then we have the biggest or the largest continent where we belong, and the fourth one is the biggest oceans in the world. But this one I will definitely go to Pacific, to Asia. Now in the video, how many mountains are there in the Asia? Big mountains. How many mountains are there? The biggest mountains. Rusaya 3 is right. Okay. 45. Oh, someone got it correct. Number 3/1. Number 3, 50. Yes. 50. 45. 100. 45. Himalaya. Oh, Himalayan. Okay. 45. Yes. 45. Okay. So 45, 50. Yes. Oh, Tachapol. Hello. Nutakan. Hi. Okay. Very good. Okay. The answer is between 45 and 50. 45 and 50. So it's gonna be, oh, someone answered both. 45, 50. Okay, so it's up to you, Teacher Christine. Okay. Okay. So thank you so much, and most of you can still remember our topic last semester, and I am grateful for that one because you stored it in your long-term memory. Okay, so today, students, we are going to start our new lesson in economics, and Unit 1 is all about goods and services. I know that this topic is very familiar to you because we learned this one when you were in grade 1. Now, the only difference before, for goods, we just make a general, right? Goods is anything that we can buy or sell. But in grade 3, we are going to classify the goods into 2. Okay? So, let's start our new lesson. Hi, number 21. Yes, hello. Okay, so let's start. But before we start our discussion, let's learn first the different vocabulary words. As I told you many times, vocabulary words, learning vocabulary words, or unlocking difficult words are very important because it makes our lesson easier if you understand the difficult words. If you understand the meaning of the difficult words or the words that are kind of not familiar to you, then it would be easier for you to understand our lesson. So let's start with basic needs. Okay? Mawin 3/8. Hi. Okay, so basic needs, students, these are goods that are absolutely essential for human life. So meaning, these are goods that we really need for us to survive. Okay, we need this one for us to survive, for us to stay alive. So these are basic needs. Then we have money. Okay, so money is the income that is earned for doing work and is used to buy needs and wants. Okay, so money is the income we earn. Like Teacher Christine, I earned my money. Okay, I earned my income from doing job as being a teacher. Okay, so and I also use that one to buy my needs and my wants. Okay, so you also, students, you also have your money which comes from your parents, right? Or someone comes from hard words. Yes. Difficult words, babies. Okay, the next, necessary services. Okay. Necessary services are those provided by people like the policemen, the firefighters, teachers, and doctors, without which we cannot live. Okay, so for example, student, necessary service, the doctors. Doctors, we need doctors to cure us, right? To cure us from our sickness. Okay. Okay, so let's go to the two kinds of goods. First one is the basic needs. Okay, so basic needs, students, these are needs that are absolutely essentials. These are very important goods that we need, okay, for us to survive or to keep us alive. Okay. Yes, hi. Okay, first we have food. Now, food. When we talk about food, students, we are talking food that belongs to basic needs. These are food that are healthy foods. These are foods that can give us nutrients, can give us vitamins. Vitamins or nutrients that our body needs to keep us healthy and strong. Okay. Hi. Okay. Food, yes, food. Oh, wow. You gave me the answer already. I know because you're very familiar with this topic. Yes. Clothes, water, food. Nah. Okay. Very fast. Okay. Thank you, students. The next, of course, we have shelter. So shelter, students, this is a place that can provide us or can protect us from danger and bad weather. Yes. Oh, air. Yes, correct. Okay. Now, this one, Okay, so we have medicine. Medicine, as we know, it can cure our sickness or illness. Then we also have our clothing. Okay, yes, medicine. Yes, very good students. Yes, medicine, house, clothes. Yes, true. Very good. So all of the students are basic needs that we buy with money. Okay, basic needs that we buy with money. Yes, water also. As I said, water in books, in other books, water are included in food, but in other books, it is not. Okay, so food, shelter, clothing, medicine, and water. Okay, but remember, in basic needs students, the foods that we have are healthy foods. And basic needs, we need money to buy this one. Okay, cloth, yes, correct. Then the second kind of classification of goods is wants. Okay, so when we say wants, this is the desire to consume goods and services that are not absolutely necessary for life. Okay, so these wants are goods that we want to have, but they are not really important. Okay, but this one student can make our life easier, can make our life comfortable, and can make our life easier. Okay, so it makes our life more comfortable and nicer if we have this example of wants. Okay, Rusaya, English please when you chat your comments. Thank you. Okay, yes, Harley. Okay, so this one student, you might say, oh teacher, if it is not essential, if it is not important, why do we have wants? Yes, because wants may not be very essential to us, but it can make our life more comfortable and nicer. Like for example, we have our mobile phone or smartphones. Okay, it can make our life comfortable or nicer or easier, right? Especially in terms of communication. So if we want to talk to our families who are far from us, it would be easier for us to contact and to communicate. Okay. iPhone, yes. Hi, car. Oh, Chayano. Yes, very good. Oh. Okay, thank you. Then this is a washing machine. So you might say, oh teacher, washing machine is kind of this one washing machine students makes our life easier, and this most of I guess all of you uses a washing machine. Okay, so it makes our life comfortable and easier and nicer if we have our washing machine, right? Because instead of using our hands in washing our clothes, we just put it in the machine and let the machine do the laundry for us. Okay, so washing machine. Okay, then of course this one, toys. It's nicer if you have some objects or things or toys to play when you are bored or when you are alone, right? So yes, car, yes. Okay, so toys. This one is nicer if we have it, right? When I was a kid, I do have that one, but I'm more on cars. I don't really play Barbie dolls, so I am on cars and guns. Okay. Oh yes, fan, TV, very good. Notebook, yeah, very good students. Okay, you're giving me another examples of wants. Thank you. Then we also have car. Okay, teddy bear. Yes, a bag. Okay, TV, computer. Very good, students. Yes. Okay, car. Car makes our life comfortable and easier to travel, right? It's comfortable, especially if we are going to a far place or a province, like going to Wahin, going to where else? Chiang Mai, if you have your own car, because you can stop anytime you want, you can look around, you can take a photo if it's something, wow, that place is nice for Instagram. Okay. Okay, cosmetic. Yes. Yes. Okay, very good. Yes, so I was supposed to ask you, give me more example about wants, but I can see that you are very active in the chat group, in our chat. So, yes, very good. TV, computer, book, cosmetics. Yes, very good students. So, those are the two kinds of goods, the basic needs and the wants. Okay. Now, some good students are both needs as well as wants. For example, food. Okay, so food is an example of goods that are both needs and wants. Okay, first we have this one, our healthy foods that belongs to need. So students, can you chat in the chat box? It's almost clean when you use washing machine. My mom taught me that. Oh, very good. Wow. Okay, how nice of your mom to train you at very young age. Yes. Okay, so healthy food students, can you give me example of food that belongs to need? 5 minutes. Okay, can you give me example? Students, okay, milk, rice. Okay, rice. Yes. Okay, very good. Vegetables. Yes. Egg. Yes. Okay, very good students. Thank you. Byford is very active and touchable too. And many of you. Okay. So, Teacher Christine will have. It will take me an hour to finish giving points because a lot of you are very active and participative in this class. Okay, now these are some examples of food that belongs to want. Okay, so usually the food that belongs to wants are very delicious, right? Very appetizing. Okay, like ice cream. Oh, Teacher Christine love ice cream. But because I know that ice cream, I cannot eat that one every day. I eat ice cream sometimes twice a month. It's my favorite, but because, we're not getting any younger, so I have to look at my sugar intake. So, yes. Okay. So, these are the example of goods that can be need as well as want. So food is an example of want, candy. Yes, very good. Sandwich, hamburger, cookie. Yes. Oh, Napat is very particular with the time. Yes, Napat. Yes, cupcake. Yes, very good. Okay. Now, I have here examples of goods and I want you to give me the answer for this one. Okay, so I have here my magic paper bag. Okay, now you are going to guess the goods that inside my paper bag and identify it as a need or a want. Let's start with, because it's early morning, so Teacher Christine will definitely have a cupcake. Okay, cupcake student, is it a need or a want? Please type your answer so Teacher Christine can give you points. Okay, so, this one, need or want? A cupcake, mixed fruit cupcake. Want, okay, very good, bye Fern. Want, how about the others? Want, okay, very good. Okay, so I have here the want. Yes, correct, cupcake is a want. Yes, very good. Okay, next. What is this? This one. This is actually a sharpener. This is actually a sharpener, student, as you can see. Okay, so a robot, a toy sharpener. What is this? Okay, number 2, touchable. Number 2, want. Number 2, what? Robot. Okay. What? Who said need? Okay. Next. I have here my. Let me have. Oops. What is this? This is a medicine. Medicine. Number 3, students. Number 3. Okay. What is this? Oh, I'm waiting for number 3. Number 3, need. Okay, very good. And the last one. The last one because time is up. It's 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Wait. Number 3, what? This is medicine, baby. Medicine. You take this one when you are sick. Okay. Then the last one because it's time already. I am here. A shirt. Shirt from Assumption. A polo shirt. Okay. This one, number 4. Who can give me the answer? Need or want? Okay. Number 4, therapist. Need. Very good. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, so that's all for today. Time is up. So I'll see you next week, students. Thank you for joining me and for being active during our online class. I'm Teacher Christine saying thank you and see you again. Bye-bye.